How to use HP QuickDrop. HP QuickDrop is an app that connects your computer and mobile devices, allowing you to quickly and easily transfer documents, photos, websites, and more over a wireless network. To use HP QuickDrop, you will need the following items: an HP Windows computer with the pre-installed HP QuickDrop app, an Android device running Android 7 or later, or an iOS device running iOS 12 or later. On your mobile device, open your App Store and search for QuickDrop. In the search results, select and install the QuickDrop app. Follow these steps to pair your Android or iOS devices with your computer. Note, before attempting to pair your devices, make sure both the computer and the mobile device are connected to the same wireless network. On your computer, search for and open the HP QuickDrop app. The app is pre-installed on all HP computers, but if you cannot find the app on your computer, you can search for and install it from the App Store on your PC. Once QuickDrop is opened, the welcome screen displays with a QR code. On your mobile device, tap the HP QuickDrop icon to open the app. Follow the instructions in the app to get started and grant the necessary permissions on your device, such as allowing access to your camera. Once you have completed the permissions and are at the Start Sharing screen, tap Scan QR Code. Using your mobile device camera, scan the QR code that is displayed on your computer screen by aligning the box with the QR code. A PIN code will display on your mobile device and your PC. If the code matches, select PIN code is the same on your PC and the pairing is complete. If you would prefer not to use the QR code, you can select Use PIN code instead on your PC to connect the devices through PIN code confirmation. Once the PIN is displayed on your PC, select the Use PIN option on your mobile device, enter the PIN, and tap Connect. Once the devices have been paired, you are brought to the Let's Go screen on both devices. On your PC, you can see which mobile device you are currently paired to in the top left. To add or switch to a different paired mobile device, simply select the option from the drop-down menu. By selecting the paperclip icon on either your PC or mobile device, you can browse your files and select the file that you wish to send to your other device. As soon as you select the file, it sends and will immediately display on the other device. By selecting the notepad icon, you can type up a note on one of your devices, and when you select Send, it will immediately appear on your other device. By selecting the message icon on your PC, you can receive and send SMS messages from your PC. To do this, you need to allow access to your contacts and messages on your mobile device. Select Send Request on your PC, and then grant the permissions needed on your mobile device. After permissions are granted, you can communicate with the contacts in your mobile device from your computer. Selecting the folder icon in HP QuickDrop on your PC displays all of your files that you have received from your mobile device. Lastly, selecting the gear icon on your PC allows you to adjust settings in HP QuickDrop based on your preferences. You can also manage all the devices you have connected and choose to pair new devices or unpair currently paired ones. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.